In this iMyFone Fixppo review, we will explore its features, pros and cons, how to use it, and its alternative. Part 1. What is iMyFone Fixppo? iMyFone Fixppo is a professional iOS system repair tool designed to help users resolve various system issues without data loss and without relying on iTunes. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and can fix over 150 types of system errors. It lets you upgrade or downgrade iOS without jailbreaking, enter or exit recovery mode easily, perform factory resets without a passcode, backup or restore data without iTunes or iCloud, and resolve various iOS. Part 2. Is iMyFone Fixppo free? iMyFone Fixppo is partially free. You can use the enter-exit recovery mode feature for free, but full system repair functions like standard and advanced mode require a paid license. Fixppo offers the following licensing options: Basic, Full Toolkit, Business, $49.95. If you only need to exit recovery mode, the free version works, but for real repairs, expect to upgrade to the paid version. Part 3. What are the pros and cons of iMyFone Fixppo? Pros: user-friendly, step-by-step guidance, standard mode keeps data, no iTunes needed, supports all iOS versions, fixes 150 plus system errors. Cons: free version limited, advanced mode erases data, some hardware issues unsupported, complex problems not always fixed, slow firmware downloads, license for one device only. Part 4. How to use iMyFone Fixppo. Here's how you can fix your iOS device using the standard mode. Step 1. Download and install Fixppo on your computer. Step 2. Launch this tool and click Start Repair once you're in the Apple System Repair interface. After that, please choose the standard mode to avoid losing any data. Step 3. Once you select standard mode, connect your iOS device to the computer. If your device isn't detected, Fixppo will guide you through entering recovery mode. If your device isn't detected in recovery mode, please follow the instructions to enter DFU mode. Step 4. Next, you'll need to download the firmware to repair your device. The program will automatically detect your device model and show all available firmware versions. Simply select your preferred version and click the download button. Step 5. After the firmware has been downloaded, click the Start Standard Repair button to begin fixing your device. Please ensure that you don't use or unplug your device during the repair process. Step 6. The repair process will be quick, and your device will automatically restart once it's finished. If the repair fails, you can either retry or switch to advanced mode repair. Part 5. The best alternative to iMyFone Fixppo. iOS system recovery is a powerful, affordable alternative to iMyFone Fixppo. It fixes a wide range of iOS issues, offers standard no data loss and advanced modes, allows iOS upgrade or downgrade, works on Windows and Mac, and supports the latest devices and iOS versions with high success rates.